Hi, I'm Chris with the Shell Vacations Club Owner Education Team. Welcome to your Learning on Demand education series. Today I'm going to be talking about your RCI external exchange benefits as a Shell Vacations Club owner. Let's get started. RCI is the world's largest worldwide external exchange company, and it offers access to over 4,300 affiliated exchange properties in nearly 110 different countries. As a Shell Vacations Club owner, you have access to all of these amazing properties and unique benefits that are affiliated with RCI. Depositing your points is the easiest way to start your vacation experience with RCI. If you have SVC points that are about to expire, or want to travel to a destination outside the SVC network, you can deposit your points for RCI exchanges. There is no minimum amount to deposit, and these points will be good for up to 2 years from the date they are deposited into your exchange account. This gives you great flexibility when planning your next vacation. Let's take a look at the 2 ways to deposit your points. The easiest way would be to log into shellvacationsclub.com and click on the external exchange link on the left-hand navigation bar, and then select Deposit My Points. Keep in mind though that this is a final transaction, so make sure that the points amounts and all the information you enter is accurate. The second way would be to call into member services and speak to one of our wonderful SVC agents. They would be more than happy to help you. Worldwide external exchanges are available 24 hours a day by logging into shellvacationsclub.com and linking over to your affiliated RCI.com website. And even if you haven't deposited any points yet, you have the ability to search and book. All you need to do is determine where and when you would like to travel, how many points are required, and just like that, you can book your next memorable vacation. All point values for exchanges are based on the season, the number of nights, and the unit size. Upon confirmation, the required SVC points will be deducted from your account, and you can make as many exchanges as your points will allow. Allocated, rented, and bank points are all available. SVC points can be used for all exchange opportunities, and points can be combined with previous deposits to complete an exchange, so you can start saving points now for a more luxurious vacation in the future. Just remember though that points do expire after 2 years, so don't wait too long. If the vacation destination you're looking for isn't available, don't worry. RCI offers a great benefit called Ongoing Search, which allows you to be placed on a list of your top choices. All you do is pay the exchange fee and let them do the work finding your match. And if nothing comes up, you can just cancel the search and receive a full refund. Once confirmed, all exchanges have a 24-hour grace period with 100% points and exchange fees returned. For more information on the cancellation policy, you can always visit shellvacationsclub.com. And finally, what about these fees I keep mentioning? Well, here's a list of the current exchange fees with RCI. They are based on week-long and nightly stay exchanges, but they're always a good deal. And you can even add a guest certificate for friends and family. This chart is always available on shellvacationsclub.com. And that covers your exchange options with RCI. I really hope you enjoyed this, and most importantly, that you learned something. For more Shell Vacations Club owner education videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit us on social media, or log into shellvacationsclub.com and click on the education banner.